My kids, I'm always laughing with them. They're funny, they're at that funny age. Yeah, they sort of depict the day, and they're 6 and 4, so they sort of say what's up, how they're feeling about things. We always have a little like hui. We can just be, like you said, be together, just laugh, do things, go for walks, hang out. Becoming a single mum, I mean, it's hard. Your life changes quite quick. But you've also got to keep, everything steady as, especially for your kids. So it's a lot. It's a lot to go through. It's a lot of pressure. You're just trying to get your own stuff together, but you're also very mindful. It's mainly your kids trying to keep their routine as normal as possible. So yeah, it's really hard. It's hectic at the start because you're trying to, got a new way of life just kind of handed to you. And it definitely, you've got to find this new version of yourself, show up for your kids, work full time, hang out with your friends, so it's definitely rough, but like after all of that, I think, when you do look at your kids, you're just like, you're going to be all good. Yeah, like I feel really actually epic and like positive, and I feel like we're in such a good like buzz and momentum because probably because I've relaxed heaps, and you just, you find your new rhythm.